Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your old and dirty shoes brand new. First, you need a small bottle of hydrogen peroxide which you can get for 15 rupees from your local chemist or drugstore. Then a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a bowl. Carefully add the hydrogen peroxide into the bowl. This stuff is very nasty, so be very careful. Wear gloves if possible. This is the amount of hydrogen peroxide I added, almost half a bottle. Now it's time for toothpaste. Add the adequate amount of toothpaste into the bowl. Mix it with the toothbrush. Don't forget to add a bit of water because hydrogen peroxide is very strong stuff and you need to dilute it. The toothpaste we added acts as a mild abrasive, whereas the hydrogen peroxide acts as a bleaching agent, so it's a perfect combination. After doing all this, let the shoes dry for about half an hour and then wipe them with a wet cloth. This is what you'll get in the end.